Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video so attractive very stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye. Today is my collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles, fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyles and so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts, some ideas layered, some ideas step. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. Different ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more beautiful and trendy ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. On my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. For family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. Channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. And thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.